Everyone, in this video I will teach you how to link YouTube channel to your Facebook page. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first let's go ahead and open the Facebook. As you can see, the page is logged in, and on this screen you'll be selecting the page profile. Right in the middle of the screen on the top, you will see the page profile icon. Let's go ahead and tap it, and once you've tapped it, you will be presented with the screen. And on this screen, all you have to do is to look for the ellipsis icon right next to See Dashboard button and tap it. Once you've tapped it, you will gain access to the page settings, and you will be presented with this set of options. And on the topmost, you will be seeing the edit. That is the one that we're looking for. Let's go ahead and tap it, and you will be transferred to the screen. And on this one, you just need to swipe down and go to the links category. And as you can see, this is on the bottommost part, and there is an add button. Let's go ahead and tap that. And to add a social link, you just need to tap on the add social link. And once you've tapped it, the settings will change. You will now have a space to add your username, and you can also select the platform. First, we're going to select the platform of the link that we'd like to add, which is YouTube. Once you've selected YouTube, you're going to tap on the username bar to add your username. And once you've done it, you can just tap on check, and the save button on the top right corner of your screen will now be clickable. Once done, you can just go ahead and tap it, and the link is now added to your profile. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.